Hello everyone. In our this video we will discuss about AP and WLC management access connection, like how we can connect with our devices. So in this process we have to discuss about the types, like first of all we can connect with the help of telnet, and second we can connect with the help of SSH. Via HTTP or via HTTPS we can also connect. Console, with the help of console we can connect, and with the help of TCAS and radius server we can also connect with, and we can manage our WLC. Okay, first of all, what is a telnet? Okay, telnet use port number 23. Basically it is used for the remote connectivity. Okay, by default in each and every router, if we talk about routers or wireless device, in this virtual teletype is used. So with the help of telnet you just provide IP address in your command prompt, and you can type telnet and the IP address for the physical router, and if you want to connect Wi-Fi device then directly you can access. And next part is SSH. SSH is secure shell. The port number of secure shell is 22. It is same as telnet, but it is highly encrypted. So you can say like it is more secure than telnet because the password is protected in SSH. After that your data is also protected in SSH. Okay, besides this we have two new types, like HTTP port number 80 and HTTP port number 443. If you want to access your router with the help of a web browser, so in web browser, like for example you have to type here HTTP :/ and your IP address like 192.168.1.1. or if you want to use secure connection, packets encrypted, then you can use HTTPS access. After that you can directly connect your device with console cable, because with the help of console we can also configure our device. And at last we have TCAS and radius server. Basically these servers are used to provide the security, like with the help of simple password we can connect, but with the help of these server, TCAS and radius server, in this AAA technique is also used. Okay, in which authentication authorization technique is used, and also you can protect your device with username and password. So this is all about WLC management access connections. Thank you so much.